Welcome to today's training webinar. Today we're going to discuss creating a new coach in Play Attention 6.0. In order to create a new coach, I must log in as system administrator or as a coach who has administrator privileges. I'm going to log in as a coach who has administrator privileges. I created this coach previously, and I'm going to describe to you the administrator privileges in just a bit. So I type in my username and password for my coach and click Login. When I click Login, it brings me to the coach's dashboard. I then select Users, and you see here I have two different types of users. I have students and I have coaches. I'm going to select Coaches and then click on Create New Coach. When I click that option, it brings me to a page where I can input all of the information for my new coach. I type in my coach's first name and her last name. I then create a username and password for my coach. My username and passcode will be used by this coach when she logs in. I do need to input an email address for all of my coaches. And a phone number. I can then change my avatar and input a picture of my new coach. You see here that administrator privileges is turned on. Administrator privileges are on by default. However, you can turn off these privileges. Administrator privileges allows this coach to view all students who are enrolled in this site's Play Attention program. It will also allow this coach to create new coaches and manage the site information. You can decide which coaches should receive administrator privileges. I'm going to turn the privileges off for this particular coach. I can also go over here and assign my coach a student. I'm going to assign my coach Brooke. When I assign a student to this coach, it means the coach can view and edit this student's information and create sessions for this student. I can assign as many students to this coach as necessary. Remember, if I turn the administrator privileges off, this coach can only see the students that have been assigned to her. I can then save my coach, and you see my new coach is now in my coaches list. If at any time I need to edit or delete this coach, I can come to this list, click on my coach, and make any edits here. Thank you for attending today's webinar on how to create a new coach.